Hey friends, and welcome back to your girl Brittany. And today I wanted to share a few things that I created utilizing stuff from Globeland. Now, if you missed out on my unboxing video, Globeland did ask if I could go ahead and do some projects with some of their products, and I said yes. Okay, and I shared what I had received. It was mainly bows that I had chose, and like how I did that, didn't you? But I wanted to show you how I went about utilizing them and putting them on projects and stuff like that. So if you missed that video, I'll have that linked for you, and then make sure you also check out in the description box. I will have the links to the products that I show today, and then also I have a code for $5 off your purchase of $40 or more, and that is Brittany5, and that'll be down below in the description box for you too. All right, so let's get to sharing. Alright, so these are the things that I had went ahead and used. I want to first show you what I used. I had put this bow. This one, I like this one. This is so cute. I love the chunkiness of this bow. But I had used this. And for this one, I was already making some cute little cinched note card books. And I went ahead and put the bow on top of that, on top of these. So super stinking cute. And then like at Dollar Tree, they have like the color index cards, so I went ahead and I used those, and this is how this came out. Really cute. And I just put the cut apart from the collection. I can't remember what this is that I even used. And then I did gold for the bow, and then from the paper collection I used for the tails and the wing there, and then I wrapped it in the center with some ribbon. Really cute. And then this one here, I did it with the blue glitter. This is so pretty, and I'm not really drawn to blue, but the blue glitter, oh my gosh, it's so stinking cute. And it says I heart you, and I added some little hearts there as well. And then this one is also from that same pack of the index cards. So stinking cute. So that is what I did for that. And then this one here, I used this. I used the big oval shape here, and then this tail, I cut this out twice, and then this oval, I cut it out 6 times. You can, and one good thing about this is that you can make it your own. There's no specific way of doing things. You can mix and match and just do it up however. But this is the bow that I had created, and I put it on this little embellishment box suitcase. So pretty much by the time you see this video, I have already had the tutorial out for this embellishment box suitcase, so make sure you go check that out. I'll have that video linked for you as well. So I'm not going to go in full detail of the suitcase itself. I just really wanted to show you how I use the bow. This bow came out to be roughly, I mean, you can make it smaller, depends on how much you like push it inward, but it's like roughly a little less than 3 inches wide. So really stinking cute. I also used the little scallop piece here as my center, and then it was like kind of Christmas theme here, so I added a wreath on top of that as well. So really cute. I'll come back in another video to kind of show you how I put together another one of these, so you can have an idea of how that works. And then I am going to insert a photo of using a stamp set. I used the Just For You. I'll come back with showing you what I do with the other stamps here, but I used the Just For You from this collection. Now I was gifting these to people, and so of course by the time I gifted them, it was before I did this video share, and so I have this photo here showing you that I made. I have these gift boxes that are like pizza boxes, I mean, that I had bought from Stampin' Up when they were on clearance. And then I had got these heart die cuts from a swap that I was in once upon a time ago, and so I took that heart and I stamped the Just For You right there on the non-lace portion on the side there, and I just decorated up and made it really cute. So great way to use it. I was going to use like a separate little piece to stamp it and just like probably tie it on there, but I was like, oh, you know what, I have these die cuts, so I thought that worked out perfectly. So it's another great way of using your stamps. Instead of putting it on a piece of something and cutting it out or whatever, you can utilize the die cut itself as your, you know, stamping base. I guess, I don't know. So that is all I have for this video today. I do hope you guys enjoyed what I had shared with you. Like I said, I'll come back in another video and I'll show you kind of how I put together this bow here, as well as some more things using the stamp, and then the other products that I had also got from Globeland. So again, make sure you check out their website that is down below in the description box for you, as well as my coupon code so you can save 5 off of 40, and the links to the products that I am presenting in this video today. So give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I know you love it and I love it when we do this together. All right, so until next time guys, bye.